Hi there, beautiful. Welcome to Regina Tutorials YouTube channel for simple DIY beauty hacks, simple recipe, and lifestyle hacks. Did you know in your kitchen you might be hiding some of the best beauty secrets? Today, I'm sharing 5 easy DIY beauty hacks using ingredients you already have at home. Let's grow together. Hack number 1. Honey and lemon for glowing skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Apply to your face for 10 minutes, then rinse. This combo brightens, hydrates, and fights acne. Perfect for midweek. Hack number 2. Coffee scrub for smooth lips. Blend coffee grounds, sugar, and a dash of coconut oil for the ultimate lip scrub. Bye bye chapped lips. Hello, soft kissable pout. Hack number 3. Oatmeal face mask for sensitive skin. Do you have irritating skin? Oats are your BFF. Mix with warm water. Apply gently. It calms redness and itchiness, ideal for sensitive and sunburned skin. Hack number 4. Egg white for tight pores. Whisk 1 egg white and apply it on your face. As it dries, it tightens pores and tone your skin. Just don't forget to moisturize after. Hack number 5. Coconut oil hair mask. Warm a little coconut oil and apply to dry hair. Leave it for 30 minutes or overnight. Freeze gone. Shine on. Confidence unstoppable. And there you have it. 5 natural, effective beauty hacks straight from your kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe for more beauty, wellness, and lifestyle hacks. Because self-care should be simple, fun, and fabulous.